Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be going over the mirror effect in Final Cut Pro. If you are new to this channel is for leveling up your post-production skills here in Final Cut Pro. So if you're interested in that, consider liking or subscribing or sharing this video with somebody who you think will need it. Now let's get right on into the video. Okay, so we have our drone footage here in Miami. And what we're gonna do here is we're just going to go to our effects tab and we're going to type in mirror. And we're just gonna drag that clip on. We're gonna drag that effect onto our clip. And as you can see here, the mirror effect is already working. As we play this clip back, this already looks cool and unique already. So you can leave this as is if you want to. I'm going to show you guys another way through keyframing to make it look a little bit more interesting. So I'm going to add a keyframe to my center and to my angle. And I'm going to move my playhead up a bit in the timeline. Kind of about halfway, a little bit more than halfway. And I'm gonna change it on the x-axis. You can go in, you can go out. It just depends on how much you want it to come out. You can also go on the y-axis. That doesn't really do anything on this clip, but I'm just gonna take it out a little bit on the x-axis. And as we play it back, you can see keyframing is working, and this looks really cool. Has a little bit more motion than the first mirror effect that we just applied. So this is a great tool to use in Final Cut Pro. And I have another clip that I can show you with another example of the mirror effect. So I'm just going to drag the mirror effect onto this clip. And I'm going to start the angle at a 45-degree angle. And I'm going to add a keyframe there. And I'm just going to move my playhead back on the timeline a little bit. And I'm going to make the angle 0. So it will be like an animation going up, 45-degree angle, and coming up into the mirror effect. That's another example of how to use the mirror effect. You don't even have to use keyframes like we did in the beginning. You can just leave it as is if we reset these parameters. As I stretch this clip out, you can see the effect working on another clip right there. So yeah, this is a great way to use the mirror effect here in Final Cut Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed. If this video helped you out in any way, consider liking and subscribing, because we will be coming out with a lot more content coming soon. So be on the lookout for that. And I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you soon. All right, bye.